Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a modern mid-century tiny house on wheels in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle, and we can click from this origin and drag to the another side around 6 meter and enter. And then we can set the depth of this tiny house around 2.6 meter and enter. Okay, this is the base of this tiny house. Then we can click the surface of this tiny house. Then we can click push and push it up around 300 millimeter. So I just make the simple base of this tiny house in this tutorials anyway. Then we can triple click, right click, and on my group. Okay, then we can select the rectangle and click from the corner to the corner diagonally, and we can click the surface and select push pull and push it up around 3.5 meter approximately. Okay, and then we can click the surface, right click and erase, and click the surface, right click and erase. Okay, and then we can click this line. Okay, we can click this line and select the move and tap control, click this point until to the bottom around 1 meter and enter. Okay, now we can select the rectangle and click from this position to this position. We can make the window in here, and we can make the window in here approximately like this, and we can make the large window in here, but we can make the diagonal window. We can use the line and delete some unnecessary line over there in here. Then we can select the rectangle in here, then we can select the diagonal. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, so this is about the left side window. Then we can make the another door. We can make the door in here and make the little window in here, and also the window in here. Okay, and we can click this line and offset it inside just a little bit, around 40, and we can offset it just a little bit, and also this one. Okay, we can offset for every single window over there like this. Okay, then we can make the frame. We can make the frame of these openings. Okay, we can make the frame, and we can make the door. Okay, so we can select the glass and select the clear glazing. Okay, anyway, we can draw the line in here again to make the variation. Then we can make the accent. Okay, like this. This is the wall accent. Okay, just like this. And we can make just a little bit accent more in here and connect from the point to this edge. Okay, then we can make the another skin. We can make the another exterior with using this cladding. Okay, this is the skin, and we can set the saturation. Okay, and we can set the saturation level, and we can select the another color. We can select the another color over there, here in here. Okay, then now we can adjust about the color of this one, and we can adjust about the color until the bottom position. Okay, and then we can make the interior elements. So we can make the interior elements over there, and we can determine that this is about the bathroom. Okay, this is about the bathroom area, around 2 meter, 2.5 meter and 1.5 meter approximately in here. This is the entrance and this is the bathroom, and we can make the difference color. We can make the difference color with using the tile for the making the bathroom, and we can make it lighter like this, and we can also adjust about the shower. This is the shower area around 1 meter or 900 millimeter. This is the shower area, and we can also adjust again about the wall of this bathroom. Okay, we can adjust the wall of the bathroom with using this surfaces. Okay, and then we can make the simple wastafel in here, and make the thickness in here. Okay, we can make the simple wastafel and make the curve for the wastafel itself to make it as representative as possible on this little wastafel in here. We can make the thickness in here. Okay, and we can make the drain in here just a little bit. Okay, then we can make it group, and we can move it a little bit first and move it up 750 millimeter. Okay, then we can make the mirror and give a thickness. I'm sorry. Okay, we have to make it group first, then we can make the mirror in here and push it to the front to give a thickness of the mirror, and select the materials, mirror glazing in here. And now we can draw the closet. We can draw the toilet in here. So this is a little toilet. Okay, we can give another toilet component, and okay, this is just a simple symbolic toilet, but it make representative. Okay, and you can also add more curvy in here, and also make more curvy in here. Okay, and then this is the shower cabin. We can make the floor drain and make the metal materials and use this one. Okay, then you can draw again about the partition of this bathroom. Okay, this is the wall partition of the bathroom, and you can set the door in here. This is a little door that you can make. Okay, this is the little door, and you can give the another materials. Anyway, I've already prepared about the another materials. Okay, I will select the texture. My texture materials. I like this texture, so I'm gonna make this one to interior elements like this. So we have to adjust the interior element like this with the selected materials. So you can screenshot this texture because I feel in my mind this materials is good enough for the lumber or wooden concept of this tiny house interior. Okay, and you can also make the another elements. Maybe you can make the another cladding of this bathroom. Maybe you can make it more lighter, and you can select the another color of this door. Okay, so this is for the interior, and this is the shower head. It has a shower head in here, so you can improve by yourself. So, and we can select the flooring. Okay, this is the flooring, but I like to make the saturate more or lighter than before, like this. Okay, and we can also make the a loft bed in here, but we can use the other materials like synthetic surfaces over there in here. Okay, and so you can make a kitchen in here, so you can throw the kitchen in here. Okay, anyway, we have to erase the another surfaces over there to keep the texture good enough. And so you can make a kitchen in here. This is a kitchen table, and you can select the kitchen backsplash approximately like this. You can select a kitchen cabinet, and you can divide about the cabinet partition, divider. We can type 5/ and enter, and also this one, click this line, select move, tap control, place, and 5/ and enter. So or maybe you can make it full or not. It's depend on you. This is about the wastafel, and you can select the metal materials of the wastafel. Okay, and this is countertop. So you can select the color of the countertop. Okay, and you can select the countertop in here. Just symbolic. Okay, this is just for a schematic, so you can improve more about it. And enough, then we can make the simple roofing in here. We can only delete the one line, and you can push by yourself. Okay, and select this simple roof, and done. Okay, so you can add more elements in here, like simple staircase over there. And you can select this one, or you can make the little canopy in here like this. You can make the variation of the canopy. Maybe this is about the membrane canopy, like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And thanks for attention until the end of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and save this video for learning. Thank you.